Welcome to EET 261 Electronic Communications. I would like to go over your Chapter 3 homework. Question 1, define modulation. Modulation is also referred to as mixing or multiplication. It's the process of impressing a low-frequency intelligence signal on a high-frequency carrier. Question 2, explain why modulation is necessary or desirable. Because the low frequency information signal is not compatible with the communication medium. Question 3. Name the circuit that causes one signal to modulate another and give the names of the two signals applied to this circuit. The name of the circuit is a modulator, and I can show in block diagram form. Notice the circle with the letter X in it. That refers to a multiplication process. So I have a high-frequency carrier signal that I've identified by V subcarrier. I have a low-frequency intelligence signal identified by V intelligence, and through the process of modulation, I produce an output waveform from the output of the modulator. Question 7. What are the voltages that vary over time called? Voltages that vary over time are called time domain signals, and please remember time domain signals would be measured on an oscilloscope. Question 8, write the trigonometric expression for a sine wave carrier signal. V carrier sine 2 pi frequency of the carrier times time. That's the trigonometric expression. 10, what mathematical operation does an amplitude modulator perform? Modulation performs a multiplication operation of two analog signals. And again, please remember, modulation can be referred to as multiplication or mixing. Question 14, what is the name given to the new signals generated by the modulation process? These are called the sidebands, and we have a lower sideband and an upper sideband produced for amplitude modulation. And lastly, question 16, what is the type of signal whose amplitude components are displayed with respect to frequency, and on what type of instrument is this displayed? These would be called frequency domain signals, and frequency domain signals are displayed on what's called a spectrum analyzer. Thank you.